Hello everyone. So this is my second reel, and I'm a teacher of engineering economics, teaching all the world like internationally. And I want to start with the basics. Like this is the cash flow diagram. If you see, so this is the very basic I'm dealing with right now. How do you plot a cash flow diagram? First things first, there is a rule when we solve the questions of engineering economics. The rule is of end of year convention. You just read it, it's written there. So what does end of year convention say? The rule of end of year convention says this, that all the cash flow that is given is plotted. Whatever cash flows are given, inflows and outflows are given, they are assumed to be received at the end of the year. So how do you plot the end of the year? If you see, I have taken 3 years, 0, 1, 2, 3. Beginning of year, like 1 is 0, and whenever like any year is given, you read it as the end of year. Like 1, 2, 3 is given, so it is end of year 1, end of year 2, end of year 3. And again, if something is the end, that is the beginning also, which if we have 31st December, then the beginning is 1st January. Similarly, the end of year 1 is the beginning of year 2. So you can very clearly see in the video which I have shot here. So this is followed not only in engineering economics, but it's followed in financial management and time, all the questions of time value of money. So in case you need my classes, I would request you to contact me on Telegram. I'll mention all the ID and everything, and you can connect with me pretty easy, and I could give you classes on this.